Annyeonghaseyo everyone, this is Gia. Today I want to show you how to make a simple savory pancake, jeon in Korean, with little leftover or all the vegetables that you have in a refrigerator. You want to finely julienne all the ingredients. You can use mandolin, the vegetable cutter, to make everything in very thin cut like this. And you also want to thinly cut the potato. The ratio, I made it 1:1. One portion of zucchini and another one portion of 3 vegetables. Now, add the potato starch to the vegetables. Lightly toss it, moving your fingers so that it's all well tossed with the potato starch. I'm going to add this to the refrigerator and wait for about 20 minutes. I'm going to add some salt to it. You can season it before tossing with potato starch. And this is flour. It's important to use ice cold water. Add little by little and mix. So don't pour the water all at once. The ice cold water makes a very crispy outside and soft, tender inside. Give it a mix. Don't mix them too much because you don't want to create gluten, a sticky texture. As you can see, it's quite thick like this. Now let's cook it. Add generous amount of oil to the pan. I'm using the rice bran oil because it makes a very crispy crust to my pancakes. They're quite thick, so it's very easy to handle. So press a little bit in the middle. I used to have this kind of pancake called Yachae Twigim during my school days. Control the heat to medium low heat. Don't cook in a high heat because it's gonna burn and it's going to get not cooked inside. I just wanna get the golden brown and crispy texture, so wait until they get a little brown. See how crunchy they are? Okay, it's done. Now let's make a dipping sauce for the savory pancakes. Dark soy sauce, the rice vinegar, brown sugar, and I want to add a little bit of gochugaru, chili flakes. Mix well to dissolve the sugar. I'll taste it and tell you how it tastes like. It has been cooled down a little bit, but still very crunchy outside, and inside is so tender. The recipe itself is pretty easy, but there are a few tips to make this pancake successful. Number 1 is to really thinly prepare all the cuts from the vegetables. Number 2 is to add ice cold water to the batter. Then you cannot fail it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.